What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We just pulled up to Gat. I just got my car cleaned up right behind me. Just pulled up to some random gas station and car wash right next to it. The S4 is looking good. I find a nice little corner away from the shade. I'm about to get a little bit of pictures and reel, and then we're probably gonna go ahead and meet up with some of the homies and go cruise the strip, I guess. I'm about 10 minutes away from the strip, so I figured I'd go get some gas, wipe my car down real quick, get it all nice and clean, because there's cars everywhere right now. And yeah, it's gonna be pretty crazy. And it is Friday right now. I got here about evening time. Hey, look at the wheels on that thing.
I know it, how?
Hey.
Jesus, what the water? I got
Kev up there. Both side of the lane is filled with cars. Both opposite side. Oh my god, it's crazy. It's like an H2O Mini. And RS3, RS5, and Kev S7. There's cops everywhere. Damn, something happened. Something fucking happened. What the fuck? These pretty hard, not gonna lie. I miss my seat. Every time I see one, I miss mine. It's stinking shit. Look at all them cars over there. Met up with another S4. Its license plate says GI. Eat you. You have to pull up and flex on everybody. Damn. So cops are out. There's traffic everywhere out there, as you can see. Cops are out.
I don't know, bro. It's mad traffic. You can't go nowhere if you wanted to. I just looked over.
You want to park up real quick, though?
Yeah.
Should I park up real quick?
Or we go over there.
Over there? I don't care.
Whatever you think.
I don't care, bro. Got a Widebody S5. This thing looks great, man. What color is it? What color is it, bro?
I can't eat all that cake by myself.
Damn, man, look at this thing, you know?
The whole car was repainted right after with the body kit.
I can't eat all of it myself.
I like how the body kit's like blended with the panels, bro.
A month. Just most of it went on blending the quarters.
Yeah.
Yo, the Widebody
Like that-
on this came out so
Yeah,
nasty, bro.
yeah, this shit is
I had to
crazy.
have it done by Gat.
It looked like OEM.
Yeah.
Dang.
They blended it.
Do mine.
Yeah, I need to do mine, bro. Oh, you did it? You did it?
No, I didn't do it. I had it. The shop next door to mine did it.
Have they done any S4s?
So this was their first wide body kit.
Oh shit, I'm about to see if they can do my S4, bro. Widebody S4?
That'd be crazy.
Damn. Happy birthday to this man, Kev, over
Why they
here.
pushing the car down the strip?
Uncle status now.
Wait, I'm not that old, twin. I'm not that old. I'm only 22, bro.
Dang.
That's still
No,
Unc?
that's not Unc, bro.
Alright,
That's not
alright.
Unc.
Nah, that's on.
He said that's not Unc, bro.
That's
not
Unc.
He's good.
Mikey's W, man.
Wait, it's 22 Unc?
Yeah, bro.
We about to turn up tonight here at I was about to say H2O by accident. GatlinBurg. It's my first time
My
here.
boy said I'm Unc, bro. That's crazy.
And don't forget,
It's lit.
you got Heen here too.
Yeah, what's good, y'all? You know what I'm saying? Nah, tap in.
Tap in. It's crazy pack out here. Anywhere we want to go will be like at least 30, 40 minutes. And cops are bugging out right now. I don't know who they're chasing, but I think they're doing that to get people out the way so they can go.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
they have been showing their presence.
I don't know. I see a lot of traffic cars. Where's all the cool cars at, man? EG hatch. Well, you can't really see it though. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, you cannot go anywhere right now. You're stuck standing here.
Oh, we in a GTA server right now. I ain't gonna lie.
This shit is not real.
That was
skeleton hanging out his car.
Huh? No, thank you.
We're good.
What did you say? He said, you want to buy it? I said, ooh, E36 Bird. He goes, you want to buy it? No.
You want to buy? Hey. Little Mustang in action over there.
GTA server.
Yo, bro, you gotta cut that out. It was a white girl.
Alright, so we're about to go to Waffle House and get some food. Everybody's hungry now, and it's cold as hell.
Hey, somebody's got
This Widebody S5 is crazy, guys. It's insane. Cav over there. That Mazda Speed 3 sounds pretty good. Man, that Mazda set up pretty good work. Oh, there goes Sylvia. BS wheels. I think it was so nice with the blue and white right hand drive. He had Joe's. I heard that place is good. That's a Liberty Walk or something. BS. Wow, look at that building over there, guys. That's sick. Hey, I should check that place out during the day. And look, they have a remake of the Titanic over there and shit. I can't believe there's cars all over the place. Man.
I made it myself.
Pulled up to Waffle House for a late night brunch. Got all the cars lined up. Cars are still out on the strip right now going. Dang, look at that MR2 though. Yo, what's up?
Everyone, it's Cam's birthday today. Can we start singing happy birthday, please? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Winnie. Happy birthday to you. Turn up.
I'm not coming out with nobody. I'm just right here on my phone. I'm just on my phone. You know what I'm saying? Just on my phone. I'm just on the phone right now. I'm holding my phone.
You got it tied, man.
Huh? What are you talking about? This is normal. You know what I'm saying? I just feeling my hair right now. You know what I'm saying? Well, you know what I'm saying? Just scratching my neck.
Yo, he ate one egg. Now he feel like he got some gains, bro.
I'm just scratching my
Got some
neck.
gains after one egg, bro. I'm famous over here, man.
You know, I just be making vids and stuff, you know. I just be making vids and stuff sometimes.
Unemployed.
It's like, bro, we get it. We see the tag.
Late night takeover Waffle House. I'm full of shit, bro. You full?
Yeah, it is a little cold. And I got some layers, but it's still cold.
I got my hoodie. I'm lucky. So Kev's a barber, and they trying to get Kev to cut his hair right now.
I don't know which.
Who's getting a haircut by Kev?
You cut it off, he says.
Everybody getting a haircut by Kev?
Everybody? Everybody's crazy. I ain't got time for that. You know how much one cut?
No, we're gonna go to Jimmy, and this guy's gonna cut people hair.
Yeah. You gonna go to Jimmy's?
Free haircuts.
Yeah, he gonna cut his hair off.
$20 a pop.
Which one is it?
Look, it's your birthday. It's your birthday. You're gonna lead the night, bro.
That's group leader, bro.
Oh, it is 24. It is 24. Oh, we good. Yeah, we good.
Unless we just raid the other Jimmys and tell everyone to pull up there.
Everybody's not pulling up there just because we there.
You'd be surprised. Be like, he's
Is it
there.
Jimmy's Market? Is that
Jimmy's Market. Is there two of them? There's one, right?
Or there's Jimmy's
damn red light.
You get me stuck every damn time.
24.
There's only one.
Jimmy's Market 24.
Damn. Audi gang. Audi gang. Oh shit, cops are shutting down everything. Oh shit, somebody crashed or something. Damn, something happened over there. NSX with the turbo in the back, though. That thing is crazy, bruh. like it's getting rowdy now. It's like 12 a.m. Everybody's out. Cars is going nuts right now. Cops are going crazy. This definitely reminds me of like H2O, man. Like, it's crazy. That strip on that side, this side, cars all over the place, both sides. Damn, this is crazy, man. Like, this is like nighttime. Cars flying everywhere, bro. Shit. I'm just trying to chill. I'm a chill guy. Cop pulled over me out over there. He probably did something crazy, bro. If you don't do nothing dumb, they don't fuck with you. They just chill, man. There's some people that do too much. The F80 though. So there's Jimmy's, the famous gas station. We're trying to find a parking spot to go over there. Cars everywhere. Guys, look at this. Look, the cops are blocking off everything. Cars everywhere. Like, we're stuck trying to get over there to go to the gas station. And it's just like insane cars all over. In the middle of the road for fucking 5 minutes. I know, I think somebody almost ran somebody over up there. That was a cop? Yeah. I mean, they were yelling up there. They were yelling at me? No, not you. Not you. Somebody almost ran somebody over up there. Like, people everywhere, bro. Yeah, dude, if you're not paying attention, you really hit. Yeah, no. Drive safe, bro. We got a GTI in the mix. Classic. Nice to see the GTR out. What's up to the vlog, man?
What's up,
What's up to the vlog?
What up? We're here in Gat.
We're here in Gat. We're here in Gat. We're in Gat. It is live. You got the shades on and everything, man.
Oh yeah, no, let me put mine on. Hold on.
I appreciate the support, brother. I appreciate the support for sure, man. Yo, that's crazy. Yo, he vlogging with a whole laptop, bro. That's crazy. He got a whole laptop out vlogging, bro. That's insane. I'm trying to like park, but everybody's moving right now. I don't know where Kev went. NSX, damn, this NSX is hard. Guys, it is packed out here. You can see it deep as hell. Everybody's out, and it is 1 a.m. in the morning. All the bikes are here. Dang. Got a GTR in the mix. That's crazy. I'm just trying to get a drink. Again, they shut it down. Let's walk down. Man. Looks like a GTR gang over here. It's got some Ghost wheels. Yo, this is live right now. This is crazy. Live right now. That's crazy. Yo, can I get a picture? Hey! That's crazy. Yo, there's a whole shitload of cars everywhere, bro. I see that green one. I see that green Evo at every car. That's hard as fuck.
Nice to see y'all. Nice to see y'all. We black as shit.
No car, bro. Oh my God.
That's my latest video, bro.
Came out, Kev. Came out, Kev. What's up? We can add, but like, can't go in the beat.
This red mine is
Look at the That's your next one?
I still prefer my Audi, but I ain't gonna lie.
Blue GT pulling up hard on airbag. Hey, just air it out. Come on, man. Just air it out. Me a Celsius real quick because we might be out here all night. But look at that blue G80 though. This color is crazy. The wheels on there is insane. It complements the car so much. Is it time for a G80, guys? Damn. Shit is so nice with the purple headlights. Fucking cars everywhere. That's 4 slammed to the ground. Damn. So I'm currently sitting in my car right now. And I've never been to any type of car event shows like this ever. It is crazy outside right now. Look at all these people. Look in front of me. There's cars parked everywhere. People are everywhere. It's like freaking ants out here, bro. Like, alright, so we gotta leave now. Dang. About to roll out. Some vet over here. Everybody's getting kicked out of Jimmy's and the gas station. I got a nice parking spot over here too, and damn, I gotta get kicked out. Damn, look at this freaking IS though, 1J. Big old tires. TTRS creeping over here. Sweet color, brother. Thanks, bro. Audi gang, man. Appreciate it, man. I love this thing. Man, that IS is hard, I'm not gonna lie. It's a cool little LED, RGB taillights. I need to do something like that on my car, bro. Everybody's still posting up. Damn, let's get out of here. 1 a.m. and there's people still cruising the strip. Cops are shutting down every beat. Awesome. Cars everywhere.
My bitch a press a cut. Little demon in the cut. Go raiding at the